In today's ride, I'll take you through the scenic roads from Bangalore, explore this floating temple surrounded by the KRS backwaters, capture stunning drone views, reveal its fascinating history, and show you why this hidden gem deserves a place on every traveler's bucket list. Let's begin the journey to one of the Karnataka's most magical and underrated destinations. Just around 140 to 150 kilometers from Bangalore, about 3 to 3.5 hours of bike ride, lies the breathtaking Venugopala Swamy Temple at Hosa Kannambadi near the KRS backwaters, Mysore. Imagine rebuilding an entire 800-year-old temple, stone by stone, after it had remained underwater for over 7 decades. That's exactly what happened here. When the water level around the Krishna Raja Sagara reservoir dropped, the historic Venugopala Swamy Temple reappeared. Instead of letting this architectural treasure disappear forever, the Khode Foundation, led by businessman S.P. Khode, took up the massive responsibility of restoring it. Working with conservation experts and archaeologists, every carved stone was carefully documented, numbered, and reconstructed at a safer location just a short distance from its original site. The restoration preserved the temple's original Hoysala craftsmanship while protecting it for future generations. But why was this magnificent temple underwater in the first place? To answer that, we have to travel back nearly 900 years. The Venugopala Swamy Temple was originally built in the 12th century during the reign of the Hoysala Empire in the village of Hosa Kannambadi. However, in the early 1900s, the construction of Krishna Raja Sagara (KRS Dam) across the river Kaveri created a vast reservoir. As the water rose, the entire village, along with this beautiful temple, was submerged beneath the backwaters, where it remained hidden for more than 70 years. Today, this incredible monument stands once again surrounded by the peaceful KRS backwaters, just 145 to 150 kilometers from Bangalore, making it an ideal weekend road trip for history lovers, photographers, and anyone looking to discover one of the Karnataka's most fascinating hidden gems. As a traveler, I spend a lot of time in figuring out and exploring these places and bring in a quality content. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such content updates. On my way back to Bangalore, I witnessed something that reminded me why Mandya is called the sugar bowl of Karnataka. At first, it looked like an ordinary farmer preparing his land with a tractor. But behind this simple scene lies a story that feeds millions of people every year. Did you know that Mandya produces lakhs and tons of sugarcane annually? Thanks to the lifeline of this region, the river Kaveri and the Krishna Raja Sagara Dam. Without these fertile lands and hardworking farmers, the sugar in our daily tea might have a very different journey. And just when I thought the surprises for today were over, I spotted an entire flock of sheep peacefully grazing near the highway. The moment I launched my drone, every single one of them looked up like, what the heck is this? A new bird? An alien? Or is something finally delivering grass by air? Moments like this are what makes road trip unforgettable. You start your journey to explore famous places, but it's these unexpected encounters with nature, animal, and people that become the best memories. If you enjoyed riding along with me from Bangalore to the floating Venugopala Swamy Temple, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more hidden destination, and let me know in the comments.